Here's a quick update on the 3D widgets, so we can use these widgets to move things around. So this is the Z plane, the Z axis is the X axis, and this is the Y axis, up and down. Now the neat thing about these is they are constrained to that axis, whereas if I was to grab the plane, this is the perpendicular plane to the axis, so I can now grab this around and it moves only in the X and the Z direction, so there's no change in physical up and down height. So it sort of keeps you constrained to that space, whereas this Y lets move up and down and I can't move in the X and Z. So this gives you full kind of control of the positioning of an object. And then if I was to select something else, so say our strawberries here, now when I grab the strawberries, they're going to move relative to that. So there's the sort of the Y change. So if I move them down, and as I go through the ground, you can see they disappear, but I can still visualize them through the ground plane thanks to that sort of transparency effect. Which is pretty useful, so I can get them positioned. Even though they're behind the cucumbers, I can still kind of see where they are, position them where I want within the scene, move them around the ground plane. Same kind of tricks. And then just select the pumpkin, same behavior. I can put it behind the carrots and I can visualize that, which is pretty, yeah, it's looking pretty good. So rotation and scaling will drop in next. I need to just set these so they come to their default offsets. But the great thing is also, I should say, that this all works irrespective of your angle. So if I'm at a different angle to this pumpkin, I can still grab that red handle to translate in that direction. Green handle translates in this direction. And then obviously still translates up and down, so that in the actual direction I'm moving in screen space is mapped into 3D. So the great thing is this widget is a proper 3D component that'll work in here on my 2D screen, but it'll also work in VR. So this is a real 3D object made up of 3D elements. So yeah, pretty cool.